Good morning, guys. This is Adeep from Scent Society, coming to you from Hamilton Island Airport today. We're just going to leave to Melbourne, and I thought it was a good time to just film. I'm going to get you another fresh one today, and it's going to be called Star Walker by Montblanc. So, Star Walker by Montblanc is a very underrated scent. It doesn't get enough talk about in the community, and you can literally find this for about like $40 in Chemist Warehouse and maybe in some online retailers as well. So this one's quite familiar if you have already smelled Versace Off Fresh. This smells like it, but it's very masculine compared to that one. That feels a lot more unisex. I got this one when I was quite new to collecting designer fragrances, and the first time I smelled it, I fell in love. My nose wasn't as trained back then, and I was still into like fresh scents, and this one just appealed to me. I also smelled Versace Off Fresh back then, but I tended to like this one. It has like a really nice bamboo note on the top, which kind of appealed to me. So the perfumer for Star Walker is going to be Michel Almerac, and he has some other bangers in his portfolio, such as Gucci Pour Homme 1. He's also created Dior's Fahrenheit and Zeno by David Off. This one has very fresh notes on the top, mostly like lemon and bergamot. There is a bit of ginger or some spice in there as well, and there are some woods in the background which are very light off the bottle. I'm just gonna spray it on myself. Yeah, this smells really fresh, invigorating. Yeah, I can already smell the bamboo in it. Smells lemony, bergamoty, fresh with some bamboo in it, and it's very pleasant, guys. So I would call this a very basic fragrance to start off with. It's on the similar lines as Versace Off Fresh, maybe you have Acqua di Gio by Giorgio Armani. So similar to that, like a fresh scent, and it usually has a longevity of about 6 hours, I would say, and a very moderate sillage. In terms of compliments, if people can smell you, they will probably compliment you. But then, as I mentioned, it smells very generic, but it's a very refined scent as well. In terms of similar scents, I would say this smells very close to David Off, Silver Shadow Altitude, and Versace Man of Fresh. In terms of similar vibes, I would say it's very refined. So you could say something like a Verde Hermes and maybe Dunhill Icon, Versace or Fresh. They all serve a similar purpose. Yeah, in terms of occasions, you can wear this to the office, to the gym, maybe, because it doesn't last very long, so it would make a really nice gym scent. It'll definitely last while you're there for about 2 3 hours, and people can smell you around as well. In terms of an office scent, it can be a really dignified, quiet, fresh scent during summer days. So you can go for it then. Today Zoya is shooting my video since we're at the airport and we couldn't fix a tripod here. So she's going to give her opinions from behind the camera. She's already smelled this off my neck. So what do you think about Star Walker?
So I've smelled this before, and I would give it a 6 out of 10.
Okay. Why so?
Because it's not, again, I'm more into unique scents because that's what you've done to me. I used to be really basic with my scents, but
Yeah.
now I rate them out of their uniqueness, and I feel this is really
It's-
common.
Yeah, it's not
Like-
something that would bother your nose, would it?
No, it wouldn't. But you know, like how you said, it smells similar to David Off Cool Water, and it's something that you've smelled so much of back in the day that it doesn't come off as anything new and unique. So that's why I would give it a lower rating. It is pleasant, but it's not great.
Yeah, but for $40, what do you think? Like, it's
Yeah.
a really good scent, right?
Yeah, for $40, that's a really nice, clean, fresh scent.
Yeah.
Great for a tropical holiday like we've been in. So yeah, this is great for summer, great for a warmer weather, and for $40, that's a great deal.
Okay. So if you guys are in the market for like a cheapie, but that's gonna smell very refined and elegant, you can definitely go for Star Walker by Montblanc. That's it, guys. See y'all.